Hi everyone, let's talk about being spoiled for a minute. Specifically, I've been using the incredible Avkans Go 4K. It's beautiful, it's wireless, it's a battery powered miracle. It makes you realize how awful power cables are. And now I'm ruined when it comes to plugging things in and having to use wired cameras. But my main rig is still a beast. The Avkans 30 times NDI PTZ camera and the AV Joy Pro controller. This setup is a powerhouse for my football coverage. What was the problem? Well, let me tell you. To get this setup out to the field and power it up, I had to carry some type of power bank. In my case, it was the Jackery 1000, which is a heavy, about 30 some pounds, power bank. Lugging that heavy box around to the sidelines felt less like filming a football game and more like strength training. And you know what? Overall, it just wasn't convenient. So I had a brainstorm. I start looking at the specs of both the camera and the controller. The camera, it's 12 volts. It pulls a maximum of 15 watts. The controller, also 12 volts. Sipping around 6 watts. Wait a minute. I've powered other 12-volt equipment with the USB Type-C power delivery before. The amperage was all well within the capabilities of the modern PD power bank. The concept was solid. I was going to bypass the heavy power bank and use a small, lightweight USB-C power bank. The PD chip in the USB cable would be able to handle all the voltage negotiation just perfectly. The only problem, and the one that nearly sank the whole project, was the barrel plug size. Specifically, the camera uses a 5.5 by 3.1 barrel plug. I swear this thing is the rarest, most impossible to find barrel plug known to the universe. I searched everywhere. I simply couldn't find one that was exist in a pre-made USB-C format. So what did I do? In a gutsy move, I looked at the perfectly good but bulky Avkans power adapter and I had an idea. I decided to commit the cardinal sin of tech and cut the cable. I carefully spliced the Type-C PD trigger cable into the supplied barrel plugs and the leads. Figured the worst case scenario, I keep using PoE and lugging the AC battery around. Or I just splice the power cables back together. Nothing truly lost. The magic? A tiny, powerful victory. I plugged the new Franken cable into a small Type-C PD power bank. I held my breath fearing sparks, smokes, or a sudden camera death. Magically, it worked. Both the camera and the controller powered right up. Now, I can power my entire Avkans 30 times NDI system and the AV Joy Pro controller with a power bank that fits in my pocket. No more generators, no more heavy lifting. This is freedom, people, and it was all thanks to a simple pair of wire cutters and the power of USB-C PD. By no means would I consider myself a soldering electronics genius, but I was able to solder the cables together and put a little heat shrink on it to protect it, and it seems like it's going to hold up for me. Now I have to ask you, what heavy piece of equipment are you lugging around that you'd like to try to power via the USB Type-C PD delivery? For me, it was a small victory. Well, no, it was a big victory. Because I gotta be honest, that power bank was heavy and I did not like lugging it up and down the stadium seats. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments what heavy piece of equipment you might have eliminated by using USB Type-C PD. If this helped you out, please give this a like and subscribe, and we'll see you around the ballpark.